Okay, welcome back once again to all my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the next topic, that is the hydrogen bond as well as the thermal energy, and we are also going to discuss the characteristics of a gaseous state. So first of all, let us start about the hydrogen bond. Right? This point we had discussed already in the chapter number 1, hydrogen bond. Right? Hydrogen bond. Okay. Now you all know that how the hydrogen bond can be formed. hydrogen bond कैसे बनता है, किसके बीच में? तो मैंने आपको बोला था कि अगर कोई भी एटम है और उसकी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी में डिफरेंस है, तो with the help of intermolecular attraction it can form a hydrogen bond. तो मैं ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ कि in intermolecular force hydrogen bond is an important force of attraction. In intermolecular force hydrogen bond is an important attraction force, important force of attraction, right? Okay, now second point, let's say the first element of group number 15, 16 and 17 is due to the high electronegativity combined with the hydrogen and forms a hydride compound. The first element of group number 15, 16 and 17, right, have due to high electronegativity, you can say, combined with hydrogen to form a hydride compound. Combined with hydrogen to form what? Hydride compound. Hydride compound. Is it clear? It can form a hydride compound, just like hydrogen fluoride, ammonia, H2O. Okay, and in which the hydrogen bond is observed. In which the hydrogen bond observed. Understand? So next point, we can say that molecule have such a interactive dipole attractive force, and due to this elementary group shows the deviation in some properties. वहां पे कोई डेविएशन है, हमको मालूम है what is the hydrogen bond enthalpy, that is the 10 to 100 kilojoule per mole. So can I write the hydrogen bond enthalpy is the hydrogen bond enthalpy is 10 to 100 kilojoule mole each. Understand? Thus it has a weak attractive force, and thus I can say thus it has weak attractive force. It's a weak what? Attractive force. Understand? Is it clear? Now let us study about the intermolecular repulsive force. You all know that when there is a attraction is there is also a repulsion. When the two atom and molecules are come nearer, then they repel due to same type of charge in their electron. या हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि जब भी दो एटम और मॉलिक्यूल्स एक दूसरे से नजदीक आते हैं तो उसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन भी है, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन इट विल बी रिपेल टू ईच अदर बिकॉज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड्स, राइट? सो आई कैन राइट डाउन दैट द इंटरमोलिकुलर रिपल्सिव फोर्स when two atom or molecules are come near, when two atoms or molecules come nearer to each other, अगर वो एक दूसरे से नजदीक आते हैं, they repel due to the same type of charge. They repel due to the same types of charges. Understand? And in the electron clouds, in the electron clouds, electron, understand? So due to the electron cloud, it will be repelled to each other, and this is the repulsion is between the nucleuses also, between the electron and between the nucleus. As you all know, the distance is decreased between the two atom or molecules, and the repulsive force is rise very rapidly, right? As the distance is increased. See here, the distance is what? Decreased. Here the distance is decreased between the two atom or molecules. Decrease between two atom or molecules, right? The repulsive force rise very rapidly. Then the repulsive force rise very rapidly. Understand? Right? And therefore, the effect of pressure is more in gas. We can say कि गैस के ऊपर pressure, the effect of the pressure will be increased. Therefore, we can say that the effect of pressure will be more on the gas. Therefore, the effect of pressure is more on the gas. Understand? Is it clear? Why? Less in liquid and very less in why? Less in liquid and very less in सॉलिड. ये तो हमको मालूम है कि प्रेशर का इफेक्ट सबसे ज्यादा किस में होगा, तो गैसियस स्टेट में. क्यों? क्योंकि गैसियस स्टेट्स का जो भी पार्टिकल्स है ना, वो एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर है. अगर मैं प्रेशर अप्लाई करूंगा तो इट विल बी कम क्लोज टू ईच अदर, राइट? व्हाई? बिकॉज़ देयर इज स्पेस इज देयर बिटवीन द टू पार्टिकल्स. इज इट क्लियर? चलो ये देख लो एक बार. हमको यहाँ पे मालूम होना चाहिए कि सॉलिड स्टेट्स पे इफेक्ट ऑफ प्रेशर इज वेरी लेस. व्हेन यू अप्लाई द प्रेशर देन इट कैन नॉट चेंज द स्टेट. तो सबसे ज्यादा प्रेशर की इफेक्ट किस पे होती है, तो गैस पे. यहाँ पे मैं लिख सकता हूँ कि एट 293 केल्विन टेम्परेचर एंड 100 बार प्रेशर इज अप्लाइड ऑन द वाटर, देन द वॉल्यूम इज रिड्यूस्ड. यहाँ पे देखो एट 293 केल्विन टेम्परेचर and 100 bar 1000 bar pressure. चलो 100 नहीं 1000 अप्लाई करता हूँ. 1000 bar pressure is applied on the surface of the water. I can say is applied on water. Then is applied on water. Then we can say that volume reduced only by 4%. Then the volume reduced only by how much? 4%. यहाँ पे देखो 1000 बार मैंने कोई वाटर पे प्रेशर अप्लाई किया तो उसका वॉल्यूम कितना रिड्यूस हुआ? ओनली 4%. 1000 बार, राइट? सो द इफेक्ट ऑफ प्रेशर इज वेरी लेस इन लिक्विड, but effect of there is no effect of pressure in the solid. So you have to know that these things, okay? But in the gaseous state, the maximum effect of pressure is take place. Why? Because the gaseous state, अगर हम pressure apply करते हैं तो value will become half. Understand? So you have to know all these things. चलो. Okay? Now, next point, that is the effect of thermal energy. Next point it will be given, chalo, that the effect of thermal energy. Effect of thermal energy. Thermal energy. यहाँ पे थर्मल एनर्जी की इफेक्ट की बात करें तो इट इज डिपेंड्स अपॉन द टेंपरेचर, राइट? सो हियर आई कैन से द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर व्हिच डिसाइड द फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ द मैटर कौन सा है? तो थर्मल एनर्जी, राइट? सो आई कैन से the most important factor which decide the physical states of matter, which decide the physical states of matter. जो physical state matter की decide is the effect of thermal energy, is the effect of what? Thermal energy. Thermal energy, right? On motion of molecules. On motion of molecules. Is it clear? Due to the motion of molecules or atom, the energy produced is called thermal energy. क्योंकि अगर एटम और मॉलिक्यूल्स में जो मोशन है उससे जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है ना, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? थर्मल एनर्जी. इट इज कंटिन्यूअसली द एटम और मॉलिक्यूल्स आर इन द मोशन. अंडरस्टैंड? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द टेंपरेचर ऑफ सब्सटेंस. थर्मल एनर्जी is depends on the energy temperature of the substance, right? It depends upon the temperature of substance. Temperature of substance. Okay, next point. You can say that here on increasing the temperature, the motion of the molecules or atom is also increased, and thus we can say this motion is called the thermal motion. On increasing the temperature, we can say the motion of molecules or atom is also increased. The motion of molecules or atom is increased, right? And this motion is called, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? थर्मल मोशन. Understand? Now, intermolecular force have tendency to keep the molecules nearer to each other. ये हमको मालूम है कि अगर इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स है तो वो क्या करेगा कि सभी मॉलिक्यूल्स को एक साथ रखेगा. और ये थर्मल एनर्जी है, इट विल कीप्स द मॉलिक्यूल्स अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर. क्योंकि थर्मल एनर्जी अगर हम इंक्रीज कर दे तो मॉलिक्यूल्स आर गो अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सो आई कैन राइट डाउन दैट द इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स हैव टेंडेंसी, द intermolecular force have tendency to keep the molecules or atom near to each other. Molecules or atom near to each other. Understand? Okay, while the thermal energy has a tendency to keep the molecules away from each other, while the thermal energy have tendency to keep the molecules away from each other, right? So, by balancing the combination of two opposite factors, the physical state of the matter, we can say as a solid, liquid or gas is decided. So, I can say that by balancing, thus I can write down here, by balancing the combination of two opposite factors, by balancing the combination of two opposite factor, the physical state is decided, right? Combination of two opposite factor, the physical state of matter, the physical state of matter, that is solid, liquid or gas, is decided. Understand? So it can decide the physical state, that is either it is a solid, either it is a liquid, or it is a gas. Understand? As you all know that the gaseous molecules are arranged each other close to each other by the force of attraction force between the electron as well as the nucleus, right? So let us suppose if you want to convert gas into liquid, liquid into that solid, then also it is a possible. Okay, so because we can say that liquid spontaneously, and let us suppose if you want to convert by decreasing the temperature, you can say that it will be beneficial. Then how the liquefaction of the gas will be take place, right? So you have to know that whenever you want to convert the gas to liquid, liquid to solid, or solid to liquid, liquid to gas, then by changing the temperature as well as the pressure, you can change the states. Understand? So all these things you have to know very well. First of all, write down all these things, and then after we are going to discuss about the characteristics of the gaseous states. First of all, write down. Chalo, now write down that next point, that is the characteristics of gaseous state. Last one, that is the characteristics of gaseous state. Gaseous states. Okay. First of all, you have to know that first thing, that the volume, surface as well as the shape of the gas are not fixed, but they assume the volume and shape of the container in which they are filled. जिस कंटेनर में हम गैस को फिल अप करते हैं ना, उसका शेप को assume हम कर सकते हैं, but it is not a fix. So I can write down that the volume, then we can say surface and shape of the gas, surface and shape of the gas is not fixed, right? It's not fixed, but they assume the volume and shape of the container, but they assume the volume and shape of the what container in which it is filled, in which they are poured, in which it is filled. Understand? Okay. Second one, due to the characteristics of compression, हमको मालूम है कि गैसियस में आउटर मोस्ट प्रेशर हम अप्लाई करते हैं तो वो कॉम्प्रेस होता है. So due to the characteristics of compression, gas shows the effect of pressure and also the effect of temperature on them. Due to the characteristics of compression, right? Gases shows the effect of pressure. Gases shows the effect of pressure and temperature. Gases shows the effect of pressure and temperature on them, right? On them. Is it clear? तो हमको मालूम होना चाहिए कि effect of pressure and temperature will be there. And now third point we can say that the gaseous molecules exert the equal pressure in all the directions. सभी डायरेक्शन में एक equal pressure है. And expansion in all the direction equally, and it can also expand in all the direction equally. For example, अगर रूम में हम गैस रखते तो गैस का अगर जो ऊपर वाला जो ढक्कन है वो खोल देते तो क्या होगा कि equally it will be distributed throughout the room, right? So I can write down the gaseous molecules exert equal gaseous molecules exert equal pressure in all the direction, pressure in all direction, and expansion in all direction equally, and expansion in all direction equally. Right beta? Chalo. Next point, the gaseous molecules spontaneously mix with each other easily and evenly. Right? So क्या है spontaneously means अपने आप वो easily mix हो जाता है. Right? So the gaseous molecules are mix each other or spontaneously mix with each other, mix spontaneously with each other, right? The last point, that the density of the gaseous state is very less as compared to that of solid and liquid, right? And the last point, let me say, the density of gaseous state is very less as compared to solid and liquid state. हमको मालूम है कि what is density, that you all know that density equals to mass upon volume. तो गैस में वॉल्यूम क्या है, तो वॉल्यूम will be more, and if the volume will be more then the density will be less. So all these things you have to know. Now these all are the characteristics of gaseous state. Now here, as you all know that out of three physical states, the gaseous state is very simple because this state the force of attraction is very negligible, right? उसमें क्या है कि force of attraction बहुत कम है, and certain similarities are there in the behaviors, right? Different gas have what different chemical properties. हमको मालूम है कि अलग-अलग गैस के है तो उसकी properties भी अलग है, उसका behavior that is also different, and the behavior will be described with the help of three different factors, that is volume, pressure as well as the temperature, right? What is the relationship is there, and all these things we are going to discuss in the gaseous law, right? ये सब हम explain करेंगे law of gas, in which we are going to discuss about the Boyle's law, then Charles law, then Gay-Lussac's law, then Avogadro's law, and last one that is the ideal gas equation. अभी हम क्या बात करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कि सभी गैस के बारे में, ये गैस का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बात किया आज, then we have discussed about the hydrogen bond, then we have discussed about the thermal energy, right? So in this video up to here it's enough. In the next video we are going to discuss about the gaseous law. Okay, so thank you very much.